So today we're going to talk about the 5 things that make Thermador stand out over some of the other brands in the market. So first off, on the ranges, you'll notice that they have these star-shaped burners. That's one of their more iconic designs. The advantage of that is going to be a more even heat distribution, because if this were actually live, we would have flame coming towards the center and towards the outside. So it'll help the pan heat more evenly. And then also on your simmer burners here in the back, they can actually cycle the flame on and off on an interval. Then on their ovens, not on all models, but the higher end ones are going to offer a rotisserie function. So it can actually slide in and connect here in the back. And if you wanted to do chickens, you can do ham, you can do pineapple, you can do a lot of things on there. But you have the ability to do rotisserie right in your oven, so you can do rotisserie at home. They're one of the few brands on the market that offer side swing wall ovens. So if some of my vertically challenged customers, this makes it way easier to get in and out of. On their refrigeration, the freestanding units are going to offer dual compressors rather. Dual compression on a refrigerator is going to just simply mean your refrigerator and freezer are cooled independently from each other, so that is going to reduce your freezer burn down below, and it's going to help your produce stay fresher up on the upper fresh food section. Then on their dishwashers, they're going to offer a feature called Star Dry, which you'll see on their models. This little button right here, Star Dry. So that's going to activate a drying system inside the dishwasher that uses a zeolite, which is the rocks in the saunas that when they get wet, they heat the sauna. They actually have a tank of that inside, so it'll heat the dishwasher. It's plastic safe through the whole thing, but it'll dry your plastic 60% better than any other dishwasher on the market.